Hello students, welcome back to the physical education class. Today we are not going to do any physical activity. I am going to teach the basics, rules and regulations and how to play the chess. Okay, before that I will give a brief history of the chess. All of you listen me carefully. The game chess was originated 1500 years back in the north of India and spread throughout the Asian continent. Chess made its way via the expanding Islamic Arabian Empire to Europe. The rules of chess changed numerous times until the 1880s. The first official world championship was hosted in 1886. Now I am going to teach how to place the chessboard and how to place the coins on the chessboard and its movements. All of you watch this video carefully. Chessboard consists 64 square spaces with a combination of white and black squares. There are files which are the column going up and down. We can make these columns A to H. Now these are the racks, the horizontal lines from 1 to 8. Each of the 64 spaces is identified by the combination of letter of the file and the number of the rack. The player with the white pieces move first. We can see how to place a chessboard on a table. Each player should have a dark column on their left side. Look at here, I am keeping the dark column on my left side. So this is the way to place the chessboard on a table. We are going to see the placing of coins on the chessboard. First we are going to see the rook's position. A1 and H1 for one player, A8 and H8 for the another player. Now we can see the movement of the rook. Rook can move any number of columns horizontally and vertically like this. It can move vertically or horizontally. Suppose if it is sitting here, it can move from here to here or here to here. So this is the movement of rook. You can see the position of horse, otherwise it will be known as knight. So this is a position for knight, B1 and G1 for one player and B8 and G8 for another player. Now we can see its movement. Horse can move only on L shape. It means it can move on L shape to here or here. Otherwise it can jump like this. This is also an L shape. From here it can jump to here or here, or it can jump to here. So this is the position for horse and its movement. If suppose it is standing here, from here it can jump here. This is also an L shape, or jump up to here. This is also a L shape, or from here it can jump to here, or it can jump to here. This one is also a L shape, or jump up to here, or jump up to here or here. So this is the movement of an horse. Now we are going to see the position of bishops and its movement. C1 and F1. This is for one player. We can place it on another side on C8 and F8. So this is the position for the bishops. You can see here one bishop should place on the black and the other one should be on the white. Here is also same like that. Now we can see its movement. For this bishop, it can move diagonally onto the black squares. It means it can move like this from here to here. It cannot go forward or sideways. It can move diagonally in which color it is sitting, on that color only it can move. If we come to this coin, it can move on the white columns only. If we see here, it can move onto the black squares, and here it can move through the white. It cannot go forward or sideways, it can move diagonally. Suppose it is sitting here, so in which direction it can move? It can move on this side or this side or backward. So all these ways it can move, but it should go on diagonally. We are going to see the movement and the position of the queen. D1 is the position for queen. On the other side, it is on D8. White queen should place on the white square and the black queen should place on the black square. Next, we can see the movement of queen. Queen can move any side on free squares. It means it can move like this, or forward, or diagonally. So all the sides it can move. If suppose it is sitting here, from this side it can go diagonally, on the other side, or forward, backward, sideward. So queen can move any direction. Now we are going to see the position of king and its movement. E1 and E8, which is the position for king. Now we can see its movement. King can only move one square at the time, horizontally, vertically and diagonally. It means it can move one square towards its side or diagonally or forward. If suppose it is sitting here, from this position it can move one square backward, or one square forward, or sideward, or diagonally. And the king is unbelievably valuable. If you lose him, you lose the game. So try to protect him at all cost. Finally, we have whole row of pawn. They take the rows of A2 to H2, A2 to H2, and A7 to H7 for the opponent player. Pawns can move one square forward at the time. It can move one square only forward. From this side it can move one square. So these all are the movements of pawns. So I hope you all understood the position and movements of the coins in the chess and how to place a chessboard on the table. Before ending of this video, we can see the famous persons in chess.